Alright gang, this is the 87 Nissan. This is a new radiator. It's a Denzel. It's identical to the original. Don't lose these rubber gaskets, you're going to need them. Let's look at the one that failed first. Here's the original radiator, 255,000 miles. And right there, see that crack? Right there's where it cracked and just blew water one day. So I just pulled over immediately and filled it up with water, drove 100 feet, filled it up with water, drove it 100 feet until I got home. And so what I figured happened is the thermostat failed and it just overheated, 255,000 miles, and just blew up. So where is the thermostat on an 87 Nissan sev6? So if you get on the internet, you're not going to find out where it is. It's not this pipe going to the top. It's down in here. I don't know if it's so bright it's hard to see. It's right here. It's down in here. So, and this is a thermostat cover housing, and this hose here attaches to that thermostat housing and then attaches to the bottom of the radiator right there. Can you see that? God, it's so fucking bright, man. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It's just so bright, it won't let you. So that bottom of that hose attaches right there, and the top of that attaches to the housing, which is hidden up in here. See that there? That's where it sat. And so if you're looking online, where the hell do you get this? Where's the thermostat? It's not at the top. It's fed by the radiator hose from the bottom of the radiator. And what was kind of weird is I thought, I'm just going to keep testing it, drive it down the roads with my new radiator, see what happens. This hose here was hot as can be. The hose down here, God, you can't see shit, can you? The hose that was feeding the thermostat was cold. So no circulation. Radiator has to come out, 2 bolts, one here, one here. Very simple. Radiator comes out, and let's see, where is that ratchet? Okay, it's a 12 millimeter. It's a 12 millimeter. God, you can't see shit. It's so bright. It's like a 110-degree day coming up. Yeah, so 3 of these, 12 mil. You can see how corroded those are. I hate to think that that's the original. But the only way you're going to get one of those bolts out down in there is with one of these universal movable socket. One of these universal tools fits in there, and you'll just have to torque it. First 2 came out okay, but you have to have the radiator out to get to it. You'll never get it out any other way. But, you know, I got on the internet and I just couldn't find nothing on where the thermostat was. Everybody said it was up here, and it was definitely not up there. So, it's mid-engine. 87 Nissan, sev6, 3-liter engine, and that is what blows up an engine. A $25, $30 part. Don't buy the aftermarket garbage, buy the OEM. And personally, I'd say swap it out 100,000 miles or less and make that a routine swap. Don't wait until the engine heats up, because you're going to be far away from home and kaboom. $30 part, pay somebody else 150 bucks, have them do it for you, and your car will just last forever. This truck has got 255,000 miles. It runs great. I think it's on its 3rd timing chain. Timing chain is underneath here. So there it is, gang. I thought I would resolve the mystery of the universe where the thermostat is on an 87 Nissan sev6. See you on the next YouTube.